Hello guys, in this video we'll know about how we can create YouTube videos automatically with the help of AI tools. But before that, if you are new to this channel, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. First of all, open your favorite browser and here you can search down the ChatGPT and click here ChatGPT. Here I have logged in ChatGPT and now I am using this AI tool and I want to tell ChatGPT to create a script for my YouTube video. Only thing you have to know what is your niche, means on which area you want to create a particular video. Suppose I want to create a YouTube video for social networking sites, so I will tell the ChatGPT, can you make a script for a YouTube video for social networking sites. Enter. Now you can see that it's writing script of my YouTube video. You don't have to work too much, you just have to now copy this. And now another AI tool that is helpful for making YouTube is Pictory.ai. You can search Pictory.ai. Here is this link. Click on it and you can sign up here. It's free. Here I am here logged in. Now you can copy that script from ChatGPT and paste here. And now you can name it. For example, I will name it best technique for creating YouTube videos, and you can see here spelling check, it's yes. And now we can proceed here. Click proceed. Now here you can select the templates. Suppose I will use this. Select this and I want to choose the aspect ratio is 16:9 and click continue. Now it's creating video script for YouTube channel. These AI tools makes us easy to create YouTube videos. We don't have to work out too much. We just have to use little efforts and we can create good YouTube videos. Create here, got it. Now you can see it automatically chooses the line by line and provide the automatic videos for these scripts. You can check. I can click here the second line, third line, and the video is different and the scene is different for each line, and it really matches with the script. As our topic was about social networking sites, here you can see each line have different scene as per our topic. This is really amazing. You can also create in the same way and upload on YouTube. Now it looks totally fine. You can also add audio, or you can generate audio from another AI tool. You have to search speech into voice, or you can ask ChatGPT, can you tell me the AI tool for speech to voice or script to voice. Here it shows some tools. Actually we need some free tools. Stop here. I will copy this one and search it on Google. Click here, or you can use, there are number of Autobots here which can speak for you. Click next and you can paste the script here. We can copy the script and paste it here. You have to modify little things like, you can also use here record voiceover, or you can use this. If you click here play, it will speak for you. For example, I will play here.
One of the biggest advantages of these sites is the ability to stay connected with friends and family, even if they're far away.
You can accordingly record these scripts and upload this audio to this here as audio. This way you can create automatic YouTube videos. I hope you find this video informative, and if you like this video, please subscribe and share my channel. Thanks for watching.